There are few fashion essentials that I have, that I own, which I wish I had known from the start, the day one, because I feel this has made my life so easier. Sometimes these fashion essentials are so important in everyone's wardrobe. I'm not going to specify some specific brand, I'm not going to promote anything, nothing at all, but some very important things every man should have. If you're in college, if you are starting with your job, anything like that, it's a great video for you. Trust me on this. So let's start with the video. What is up, people? This one Kamli, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes. So the first item, a very important item in every wardrobe, is a plain white good t-shirt. A good plain white t-shirt is so important. You can wear this t-shirt under a suit on a beach with shorts, to a formal event. You can wear this t-shirt to a party night, to a date night, to just random events, just a random outing with your friends. Anywhere you go, a normal clean white t-shirt can be a game changer for you guys. It has the clean minimal aesthetics, and most importantly, if you ever have a doubt what to wear, just throw on a white t-shirt with any type of pant and you are good to go. And I'm not going to specify what kind of white t-shirt do you need. You can get a white polo, you can get a white round neck tee, you can get a white Henley tee, anything like that, a long sleeve. Any white t-shirt, clean white t-shirt, plain, simple, minimal. You can go with oversized, you can go with the regular fit, you can go with baby tees, you can go with slim fit t-shirt, anything, whatever you like. The only part is you need a clean white t-shirt. The second best item I feel everyone should have is a Casio vintage, and this is specifically for someone who is just in college, who is starting with a job. If you have a big huge watch collection, this is not for you. But if you just have two watches, one watch, something like that, get a Casio vintage. This is a Casio F91W. You can go with this, you can go with Casio 168, you can go with Casio 158, anything like that. Casio 158 will cost you around 1700 rupees, 168 will cost you 2500 rupees, this one will cost you 1200 rupees. That is it. Yes, I'm talking about these three specific watches because these are very affordable. These are strong as hell. All of these watches have battery warranty of 8 to 10 years. So that is massive. So yes, they are very durable, very versatile. I had a Casio vintage. I had worn it with suits. I had worn it to college. I had worn it on beach. So yes, that is the most versatile watch you can have. And around 1600, around 1700 rupees. That is mind blowing. And if you think you do not need a watch, that is the wrongest thing you can imagine. The third item, which is very important in my opinion, and it is one of the most important item I own, which is a pair of Converse. Yes, you heard that right. A pair of Converse. Yes, you can get any pair of sneakers you want, but in my opinion, this is my video. I am just giving my opinions, and in my opinion, this is one of the best sneakers in the world you can have right now. Because if you don't have a huge sneaker collection and if you want one sneaker which you can wear everywhere, this is the one. I have worn these sneakers for years. I got this pair in 2021 and it's 2026. It's been 5 years and this sneaker still goes with me every time wherever I go. This goes with me. My parents are fed up of me wearing this everywhere. They are like, you have so many sneakers, you should wear something different now. And I'm like, what do I wear? What do I wear? It's too much. Let's go with Converse. That is me every time. So if you want to have one sneaker which you do not want to think over and just wear and go out and still people will think it's a put together fit, you need to get this. I'll say just go and get a pair of Converse if you have not yet. And yes, you need a Converse, trust me on that. Another thing you need in your wardrobe, it is so essential, so basic, and okay, it is a blue denim. Yes, this is a loose fit denim, and trust me, I wear this every day. Like, I know everyone would have a blue denim in their wardrobe, but I feel a specific good shade, the perfect shade of blue is very important. It shouldn't be navy blue, it shouldn't be light washed blue, it should be this exact denim blue which you can wear with most of your fits. And one thing, if you like straight fit, go with straight fit. If you like loose fit, go with loose fit. If you like baggy, go with baggy. whatever fit you like, go with that, but it needs to be that specific blue shade which you are seeing right now. Spend that little bit more money and get the perfect good quality denim which is in this specific denim colorway, and you will cherish that denim lifelong. The last item which I feel is very important, like extremely important, but everyone ignores it. Like, trust me, even my friends ignore it. I've told them a lot of times, but people, boys being boys, just tend to ignore basic things, and that is a good clean white socks. Yes, it is very important. It should be clean white socks, no prints, no logos, nothing like that. This one has logo here, but on specific this part you don't need logos here. From here to this part, Jockey has some good socks. A lot of different brands have good white crew socks. I have linked them in the description, you can go and check it out. But this is so important because white socks with formals is important. White socks with good clean sneakers is important. I have literally 8 to 9 pair of white socks, and I only have 1 pair of black socks. I believe 2 pair of black socks. One is regular one and another one is for formal fits only. Apart from that, every time I wear a white crew socks. This is my staple because that goes with everything. Again, with shorts, suits, casual fits, relaxed fits, anywhere, beach, anytime, with your sandals, anything. Trust me on that. Anything, a white socks is a must. And it is hardly 200 rupees, something like that maximum. So yes, go get yourself white socks. You will understand how important it is. So I hope you guys have understood the concept of this video. It wasn't to tell you what product to buy, but I was telling you what category of things you should need in your wardrobe, which will make your life so easier. Trust me with this, putting all this together, you can make a simple fit, and that is called as basic fit. And all of these items can be worn with thousands of different items as well. So this 5 basic items should be in your wardrobe. So I have linked everything in the description. You can go and check it out. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you guys next time in the next video. Till then, peace.